We're at the line of control, and behind me is the fencing, which has helped a great deal to effectively prevent infiltration. It was done after 2003 ceasefire. It was achieved. Before that, Pakistan was not allowing this fencing to come up. And now you can see here how after Operation Sindoor, soldiers are guarding this line of control, this fence, to ensure that no one breaches this fence. Because while Pakistan has been targeted at multiple levels, terror launch pads, military installations, but army is not taking any chance when it comes to defending the borders and also counter infiltration grid. It is a robust mechanism on the ground here at the line of control. So the troops here alert 24/7, and I can send you drone footage also here. Drones are also drone surveillance also. So this is a robust counter infiltration mechanism. As the army destroyed multiple posts of Pakistan on the other side of this fence, and besides the military installation, terror launch pads. So on this side is the Lipa Valley. On the other side of this fence is the Lipa Valley, and according to army, multiple camps, multiple posts have been destroyed here. So this place tells you the India's counter infiltration mechanism here, and also how India has carried out Operation Sindoor at the line of control, and from the air defense installations, from artillery installations, and from soldiers who are guarding this border in the bunkers here, and then patrolling the borders here on this line, on the line of control here at this. This is the vigil on the borders. You can see it may be just demonstrative right now, but the fact is this is how troops are maintaining round the clock vigil. And this fencing, this multi-layer, you can see multi-layer fencing here on the border is one of the biggest barriers for infiltrators to cross over. So it is something we are bringing you. This is first time after Operation Sindoor, media has been allowed to visit the forward posts along the line of control. On this other side is Pakistani occupied Kashmir and their posts, which army said most of them, including also terror launch pads, have been destroyed during Operation Sindoor.
जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, इंडियन आर्मी अत्याधुनिक हवाई और ज़मीनी सर्वेलेंस आलों से लैस है, जिसकी मदद से हम दिन और रात हर मौसम में लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पर चील की नज़र रखे हुए हैं। पेट्रोलिंग और एम्बुशेस से हम ये सुनिश्चित करते हैं कि लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल के पार किसी भी प्रकार की घुसपैठ ना हो पाए। आर्टिलरी, एंटी टैंक गाइडेड मिसाइल्स, मोटर्स और न्यू जनरेशन वेपन्स की मदद से हम दुश्मन के सभी पोस्टों को अपने निशाने पर रखे हुए हैं। दुश्मन और टेररिस्ट की किसी भी गलत कार्रवाई को नाकाम करने और उसको बराबर सजा देने के लिए इंडियन आर्मी न केवल तैयार और सक्षम है, बल्कि बेताब भी है। जय हिंद।